On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari, Govunor Obaseki and other Ogbonge people for Naija government don comot for Naija to tanda for Peace and Development Forum, the one wey go shele for Aswan for Egypt. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don comot for Naija dey go Aswan for Egypt to fit tanda for the Peace and Development Forum, the one wey go shele for there. And he do this waka with Ogbonge people for Naija government. As he waka with Edo State Governor Obaseki, he still waka with Governor Ahmadu Fintiri, wey be Governor of Adamawa State, Mai Malabuni, wey be Governor of Yobe State. Presido Muhammadu Buhari dey with Egyptian ambassador to Naija Aseb Abafi El Sifai as he comot for presidential wing for Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport for Abuja for the Peace and Development Forum for Egypt. On top this waka, Presido Muhammadu Buhari dey with Inspector General of Police Muhammad Adamu for presidential wing for Nnamdi Azikiwe Airport, and this one dey unto say before he comot for Naija, dey go Aswan for Egypt. The forum wey Presido Muhammadu Buhari be dey at ten d for Aswan for Egypt, then give am name wey be an agenda for sustainable peace and development in Africa. And our Egyptian Presido Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, wey be say na him still tanda as chairman of African Union (AU), na him tanda this Ogbonge program put for ground. And this one na to check how Africa matter, how e go take tanda well for the world. Now here we see the Ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. A story where they reach us for T Live Media na say Presido Muhammadu Buhari, Governor Obaseki wey be Edo State Governor, and other Ogbonge people for Naija government, they don't follow Presido Muhammadu Buhari waka go Aswan for Egypt on top the Aswan Forum, the one wey dey on top how Africa matter go fit dey well. And to continue to dey get this Ogbonge and sharp informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now, first follow us waka enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media. And our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.